Cadillac. Right there. Sick. I'm gonna let him go past me one more time. This thing keeps haunting me. I swear I saw it at Supercar Sunday. Now I'm seeing it again. I don't know. I'm gonna keep my eye on this guy. Real Strosek Speedster. My God, they still exist. Speedster too.
Cut off.
Vinfast, boys and girls. New Vietnamese EV. Seen a couple of them around. Not bad. Nice look.
Vinfast is, like I said, new Vietnamese company. It is the main, or probably the only monster corporation in Vietnam. The Vin Corporation. There's another name for it. I forget what it is, but Vinfast is their automotive arm. They just started now. And this is a long way from the commie cars of the 80s that used to be on Top Gear getting jacked up all the time. But it's supposed to be pretty good. They, I think they broke this out in 2022. And those models received horrible reviews. Doug DeMuro, everybody said they were bad. But they did a lot of improvements. They added a lot of things, fixed everything that people said was bad. I mean, they listened to you. That's not like a communist organization to listen to people and change things, but they did. And now, supposedly, this 23-24 is so much better than it used to be. New interface, new user interface, new screen. That was one of the complaints, was the user interface was the main complaint. Everything else is pretty standard. I mean, it's pretty basic. Nice steering wheel, same one everybody else got. This is the no sunroof one, which I couldn't do, but horsepower is in the 400 range, I think, at the top. About 250 miles is the max. Goes head up with the Tesla Model Y and other similar sized SUVs or crossover UVs. We shall see how they do. I've seen a couple, got a friend with one. Haven't driven it, haven't asked to drive it, but he's driving it every day. Reliability to be announced, but I'm not mad at it. Good looking truck. This one's got the nice sunroof. Anything you think you could ask for. Yeah. It's been fast, boys and girls. The Bandit is back. Now look at this. Look at this. The brace.
That was not the design of
this is an engineer's this is OCD for an engineer. This is what you look at. The car is beautiful, but Jesus, the suspension geometry is insane. This is what you look at. Look at the clearance. Getting a little rub on the exhaust right there, but man, kudos to you for doing this. This is insanely good. Oh, with the gold, what do you call it? The dash with the little marks in it. I forget the name of it. Oh yeah, side exit exhaust, right through the fender. Can't beat that. Willwood kit all the way around. No words, no words. VW thing. Damn, this is clean. That is 73, 74. Don't know for sure. But this is the thing. I mean, this is the full convertible Jeep in a Volkswagen package. I mean, everything moves around. Damn transformer, this thing. Top on, top off, doors on, doors off, windshield up, windshield down, seats in, seats out, it don't matter. This is a totally configurable vehicle. And yeah, I wish I had one when I was in the Volkswagens like that, but never happened.
Good to see you.
Hey, good to see you. How are you? Man? Good to see
Simon,
all these
sir.
people.
Good to see you. Good to see you, man.
How are you guys?
Thank you. Hey, thank you for doing this.
I appreciate
it,
you
man.
saying that. Thank you for coming and supporting it.
Been coming forever.
We try not to suck. That's my motto.
Yes, sir. We have approached the outskirts of heaven. Look at that. Look at that. $440 Kuga. Damn. Look at the bright work. Good Lord. Now you want to talk black paint? You want to talk black paint done right? Good Lord. Very. This is all Plymouths here. All Plymouths, ladies and gentlemen, except for the Challenger, but we'll get to that in a minute. We're all Plymouths here. Doing what we do best. It's low car or no car. Thank you very much. All right, we got a Dodge. We got a Dodge in the building. 383 Magnum. You want to talk straight paint, baby? Yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
6.7 GTX.
Always loved yours. There you go.
440 Super Commando.
70 is a double
Come on, Mike, where you at? Talk to me. In there. Look at that. GTX convertible, one of how many? And where's Mark Warman when you need him? It says 535 cubic inch.
Yeah, you see them go out there in the
No supercharger needed.
triangle.
All motor. Road runner. Plymouth is in town today. This, my friends, is what you call a Packard. Woody Packard. Motor cars. What's the original? That's a 38 Packard. This is what the Americans called. This is the American Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce and Packard would go head to head in the 30s, in the 20s. quality, size, power, prowess, everything you can think of. And frankly, I like Packard better. Let's take a look. I wish they were still around. Of course, they kind of got folded into Mopar over the years by going into American Motors, Nash, and then Hudson. You know, they all folded down, ended up under my Mopar's banner, if you honest about it. But love to see Packard make a comeback, but I just don't think it's possible. These cars were not built with bean counters running the show. Look at this vinyl top. All the way, the whole length. And this is real wood. This is not vinyl wrap. This is actual woodwork. Some guy sat in a warehouse in a shop, hand sanding, hand shaping, hand lacquering every ounce of this vehicle. That's something that would never happen now. One car would be $10 million. The metal work, the bright work, all hand built. This is no mass production factory here. This is all by hand and extremely beautiful. Yes, sir.
Are you still in the club?
Real woody, real, all the way through. Look at this.
38, huh? That's
1938 Packard. God bless you.
wow.
Here we go with the Ford Woody. Same thing, hand built, hand done, but not quite as opulent as the Packard. But still all wood, all American woodwork nonetheless. Got a, I don't know what year this one is, but this is a 41. Again, incredible coach work here. There's no way to make a real Woody without incredible skill and time. I don't know how long, somebody need to tell me how long it takes to produce a Woody from drawing to driving. I don't know. Let me know.